Hey, this is Lee with wplauncher.com. Ever run into this issue? You're working locally and you go in and you update your WordPress version. It says update now, and you come back at the end of that and it says briefly unavailable for scheduled maintenance, check back in a minute. And you keep checking every minute and nothing happens. So how do you get rid of this? Why is it even there? So when this update's completed, WordPress will go through and update its core files, and then it'll go through and make any updates it needs to make for plugins and such. And if everything goes right, it's supposed to remove this maintenance notification you're seeing here. Or if it's still going, this might still be up there too. But like me, you might be sitting here for like 10 minutes waiting for this thing to be available, and you want to move on. So how do you get rid of this? Well, what happens is when WordPress is doing this update, it adds a file in the root directory that you updated the WordPress core in. So for me, I'm working on a course called Gutenberg Blocks for Beginners and a theme and a website for that course. And so here is my in Finder on Mac. Here is my root directory, and look at this maintenance file right there. Okay, so all we got to do is delete that, and like magic, oh, look at that, everything should be working. And just for a sneak preview, check that out. Cool. So quick and easy way to get rid of that scheduled maintenance notification you're seeing, and keep on coding. All right, have a great day, and hey, if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. We're always adding new quick tips and courses to our wplauncher.com channel.